Good morning, people. Hello again. Good morning. Same thing only. Starting this baby. So, long day today. Planned. Now I have to go eat, make some payments, then go get this baby. I have to get wing alignment done. Post that, have some work in Electronic City. After that, probably will be going to get a haircut and the phone glass replacement might be done today or tomorrow. Let me see how it goes. Long day, people. Sleeping, it's following this. As to come and did. Come up. Hello. So these are the things I got from yesterday. There's a cord set again. Cord set. This and this. Okay, I got this. This I got it from Zara. Very nice. Not Zara, sorry, West Side. There was a sale, no? See where he's sitting. It's inside my wardrobe. It's one of his favorite places. He's purring also, if you can hear. Chai and Upma. My favorite YouTuber. And see this. Another feeding happening. Hey Krishna. 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 Hello. Hello. Good Babu.
Jai Shri Ram.
Working now. Just started work to make payments. Just finished breakfast. This is where he's sitting. It's his favorite place. Now he'll put his head down and sleep. Hey, Mr. Bukul. Mr. Bukul. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Started my walk after a while. So an hour of walking to be done. And then wheel alignment, and then I have to go to Electronic City. So let me walk and you guys finally have some time to squeeze in. So going to get the wheel alignment done. I don't know, I have to just check with him whether he's done wheel alignment or balancing. Last time I forgot. So let's see. This is where I come for my alignment. This is right next to third wave. Close to third wave, not right next to it. The place where the U-turn happens, it's there. Look at this guy where he's parked randomly. Stupid fool. Anyways, sorry, not abusing. My bad. Anyways, guys. Almost reaching. I think it's empty. The one on the right side you see. That's the one. Yes, it's alright. It's empty. I just came directly. There were 2 more vehicles to be done. So he said come by 2 o'clock. 2:30 I have to go to Electronic City. So I think I'll go take a bath, give it a bath and all that, and then I think I should be ready so that I can, go directly get the wheel alignment and balancing done. He's saying he'll do both, so that will take up to 30 minutes. Right after that I have to go to Electronic City. So let's see. Fingers crossed, hopefully everything will be done today. Just took bath, came now. Time is around 2:15 to get this wheel alignment thing done. It's getting late. Let's see if I can fix it. It's beautiful XUV 700 and this is my 500. 500 Getting it for balancing. Yo, XUV 700 hasn't maintained wheel balance tires are gone. Sad. This is the wheel balancing being done. It's the depending upon the requirement, he'll add the weights. I'm sure most of you know it. I don't have to give Gyan. So that's the newer one. Not maintained it because of now no balancing and alignment. The tires are worn out. That's how it is now. Based on the requirement, he's going to add the weights. This is a very much essential for your car. Yo, people, just finished the alignment right in time, perfect timing. I did my alignment and balancing. One must do for your car tires to be maintained is every 5,000 kilometers get a wheel alignment done. Every 10,000 get a wheel alignment and wheel balancing done. Otherwise, I just showed you in this thing next to my car there is a XUV 700 that had come blue color. That guy has done 30,000 kilometers and the treads on the tire easily can go up to another 30. He had to change the tires because the tires had worn out and become bumpy because he had not done an alignment for 30,000 kilometers. Such a waste. A new tire for that is like 16,000. So imagine 50,000 of loss just for not maintaining it. So make sure any car, every car, 5,000, 10,000, maintain this. 5,000 kilometers, wheel alignment. 10,000 kilometers, alignment, balancing. Maintain this, your car will be solid. Watch the roads. Heading to Electronic City now. I'm in Electronic City Phase 1 trying to find a cafe to go and sit for a bit, eat some coffee. I'm not able to figure out reason. Finally, the iPhone store guys opened. Picked the card up. So I'm going there to get the back glass fixed. And this is some HP. Anyways, post that. Now directly I have to go there. Kormangala. Stupid rain stop. On the Electronic City flyover, heading to Kormangala. It's pounding. And sorry for the wiper noise. Loud alto, can't help it. Look at these guys going so fast in the rain, man. Biker boy, go slow boy. You have a girl behind you. Very risky these people are. Kormangala. Too much traffic. These buses, they stop in ridiculous ways on the road. It's because of them there's a jam. God knows who will tell them. They think they're riding a two-wheeler in this traffic. Reckless fellows. Anyways, waiting. Thank God it stopped raining. They are into Truffles. Kormangala. It's been a big place, man. It's been a while I've come here. Side place around. This is mango margarita. 10 on 10. Damn nice, must try. And veg cheeseburger. Chicken tandoori burger. Truffles is the place. And mango margarita. Truffles, damn nice. Come here in the Lord Alto. Oh man, difficult times. The guys just came. Got my phone, see the condition. Got the phone fixed. Apparently it should be like that for 2 hours. And look at the traffic. Just look at the traffic. It's not moving. I think I could have walked faster and reached home. Such men. So there's no other, kuch nahi kar sakte. Just be calm, be patient. Everything will be fine. Be under that sort of notion that everything is going to be absolutely fine. Zen mode. See this guy. See this guy playing around. Tired, no one around. He's scared of someone. See guys, where is this fellow sitting? On my chair. What you going to do? Big Boss finale! So guys, I was just watching Big Boss finale, and the winner is Sana Makbul. Well deserved. From the time she was in, she was, to whoever is following this, was amazing. Superb news. And another good news is MotoGP is starting from tomorrow after the break. So Silverstone it is, and a little bit of packing left, and wheel alignment done, car is set, phone finally back glass is done. I'd been to Truffles today, very nice after ages. Most lovely place with amazing food. And Kurmangla, it's been ages. I'd gone, it was a small place, now made it such a big place. Whew, great going, kudos. Anyways guys, it's done with the day. I hope you guys had your share of fun and weekend begins. Happy weekend, enjoy Mari, have fun. Whoever unsubscribe, please subscribe Mari. And one piece of advice to whoever is putting in hard work, please appreciate them rather than, or encourage them rather than discouraging them. Having the close ones your close ones only tend to pull you down. So just I hope you guys understand that when someone's putting an effort, always encourage them. Yeah, let go of the results, encouraged. And if you cannot do it, please encourage them, don't discourage. That's about it. Small gyan for the night. Anyways, Chris, good night people, see ya tomorrow.